Yo, what up YouTube? It's Rain, the Air Max Day, and I haven't got much to say. This is not really a long video. This is it. This is Air Max. Is that a man or a woman? Someone comment in the comments. I'm not sure. But anyway, Air Max Day. So historically, we've seen quite a few silhouettes released on the day. And today, it's only the Vapor Max. So this is Air Max Day, the 26th of the 3rd, 2017. And this is what is in Nighttown, London. This is it. So the Air move you forward. This is it. There isn't anything else in the store relating to Air Max Day. In the Cube, which is 2 levels up, they're releasing the ID version of the Air Max, which is coming soon, so don't worry about that. But this is it. The big push and the big hype was for the Vapor Max. People taking pictures, night staff taking pictures, and then you've got this wall with the Vapor Max. That's it. This is Air Max Day. Am I wrong in saying I'm a bit disappointed? What are your thoughts on Air Max Day? This is Air Max Day. Obviously, it's still going on certain places, but let me know what I want. Let me know what I want. Rain the Mask, signing OUT out.